Once in a quiet village, a kind girl named Lina went to fetch water from the forest. As she filled her pot, she saw a strange light. It came from an old well hidden behind the trees. Curious, Lina stepped closer. When she gave her bread to a hungry dog nearby, the well suddenly glowed. From it, glowing flowers, petals floated up into the sky. The next morning, where the petals had landed, magical plants grew, plants that gave sweet fruit, clean water, and healing leaves. Lina didn't understand at first, but every time she helped someone, carrying water for an old man, sharing food with her neighbors, the well lit up again, and each time more wonderful plants grew across the village. Soon, the village became full of color, health, and happiness, all because one girl kept choosing kindness. So, the moral of the story is even small act of kindness can grow into big blessings.